Okay, students, many students have just asked me how to draw the stomata diagram. Okay, that I'll be just showing you today. First, I'll be just drawing the open stomata and the closed stomata. Open stomata and closed stomata you can draw side by side also, but just in order to make you understand better, I'll be drawing the open stomata first and then the closed stomata. Okay, now for that, what you need to do is, first of all, you just draw the dotted line, right? Okay, after drawing this dotted line, likewise, okay, you draw for the same for closed stomata also. Okay, dotted line. Okay, and then around this dotted line you just draw a biconvex lens. Okay, the thickness of the biconvex lens will be more in case of open stomata and it will be less in case of closed stomata. So just see to it how I am going to draw this. Right, whereas in this case I'm going to draw it right, and then just after this you will be drawing the guard cells. Right, for drawing the guard cells, what you do is you just extend this dotted line, middle line, little on the upper side as well as on the lower side, likewise here too. Right, okay, now you draw the guard cells. In case of open stomatas, you'll be drawing the guard cells more swollen. Okay, just like this. You'll be first drawing it in the dotted form. Only then, once you find that everything is perfect, okay, in that case you can just make it bold. Like this. Okay, now I'll be just making it bold. Now just draw the guard cells, right, and the inner lining too. While explaining the photosynthesis, I told you that the inner lining of the guard cells is always thicker than that of the outer surface, right? So I'm just doing the same, inner lining making thicker as compared to outer surface. Now here within the guard cells you'll be drawing the nucleus, right, and the chloroplasts. Okay, and just around them the epidermal cells. Okay, so this is the open stomata, right? Now here, now we'll be just completing the closed stomata. Now similar way you'll be extending this dotted line on the upper side and the lower side. Now you'll be drawing the guard cells, but be sure that the guard cells you are drawing the more flattened one, right? They are flattened one. Okay, and just after drawing this, what you'll be doing is you'll be making it bold again, right? The inner lining. Inner lining is always thicker, right? Okay. Okay, now here you'll be drawing again the nucleus in the guard cells, and these are the chloroplasts. In the similar way, you'll be drawing the epidermal cells around it. Okay, now labeling the two will become more easier for you. How? So just see to it. Guard cells, nucleus of guard cells, right? Chloroplast. Okay, then epidermal cells, and this one is open, whereas this one is closed stomatal pore. Now here just see to it, inner lining of the guard cells is thicker, both the sides. Here, this, once the water moves into the guard cells, what happens? Once the water moves into the guard cells, they swell up, right? Inner lining being thick, it does not swell up that much. Okay, so the open, it just is able to swell to a very small extent because it is not that much flexible because of the inner membrane being thick. So swelling occurs more towards the outer surface. As a result, this opening gets widened up a little bit, this thus leading to the opening of stomatal pore. Whereas once the water moves out of the guard cells, what happens? These guard cells, they become shrink and they become almost flattened. Okay, and as a result of it, what actually happens, this opening between the two guard cells, it gets reduced very much, and the stomatal pore, it becomes closed. Okay, so epidermal cells, guard cells, chloroplast, and the open stomatal pore and closed stomatal pore. I hope with this you would be able to draw the stomatas more clearly now, and you will not be leaving any gap between the two guard cells, because if there will be gap between the two guard cells, obviously the stomatal pore opening and closing will not be able to will not be taking place, right? So that's it for today.